Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button.
Design tutorial. So in this video I will quickly show you how to dictate font from an image. So you have to get an app by searching on your Play Store WhatTheFont. After that, you click download. Then you open your app. You use image. Let's use this. So you click this rectangular icon and you place it on the text, on the exact text you want to dictate the font. This is Google logo. Then you click on this icon to proceed. You wait for your result to show up. Then you can now pick the right one from the listed options. Here you have it. You check through. This one in particular is very close, but if you notice the E is not so correct, you can still pick it up. Then you edit your E to get that exact type by trimming off the tip and bending your E. So let's go for Core Sans G55 medium.